What's up, guys? We're only 4 days into walking across Iceland, and already we've had to post up for an entire day. We woke up with probably 30-40 mile per hour winds and snow on the tent. It was sunny the day before, and we were getting little patches of rain, but the weather just changed so quickly, and when we woke up it was too much to walk in. But we have plenty of food, and we're right by a lake, a freshwater lake, and we're about probably 10 miles from a road, so it's not like we're in dire condition or anything like that. We're just sitting in a tent and waiting out the time. But Lex is doing good, staying strong. We're both doing pretty good. Just a matter of waiting at this point. And maybe tomorrow we'll get to town, and there's some hot springs there, and we will be rewarded. But yeah, for now, just waiting, and that's pretty much it. There's the lake. Grab some water from there, and the tent. Let's see. In the tent. I can't see, hopefully the camera angle's good. There's the tent. And this tent's really good. It's really good against the wind. It's Cuben fiber too, which is 100% waterproof, and the pyramid shape makes it very strong against the wind. I used it for 2 years, so it's pretty beaten down, but it's such a stable and well-made tent that it's perfect for this still. It's doing its job very well. And we had like a couple pounds of snow on us last night and knocked them off this morning, and it was standing up to that. Pretty harsh conditions though, and more than we should have been expecting this, but make do.